Hello, good morning, everybody. Am I audible?
Good morning, sir. Audible?
Yes, sir.
What is the last question we are doing? Two trains P and Q, that one only. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please move the paper little downwards.
One second. Consider a particle initially moving with velocity 5 meter per second.
Yes.
Starts Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Consider a particle initially moving. That means this initial velocity is given as, so this is so you know that when a acceleration vector and velocity vector are in opposite direction, at some point the velocity becomes zero. Remember?
Yes, sir.
So t equals 2.5 seconds, the particle becomes stationary. Understood this?
Yeah.
Second means follow this. Clear? When there is no direction, change in direction, displacement equals distance on no. Agreed. Say a particle goes like this, try to understand. So this is like this, say L1. It turns like this. Say time from A to B is T1. Time from B to C is T2. Okay. Now displacement, if you take or if you take this as t equals to 0, then we can directly take like this. Displacement during time interval is nothing but AC bar. Do you agree with this? What is AC bar, man?
AB
L1 minus L2.
L2.
Okay, what is distance?
L1 plus L2.
So because there is a change in direction. Agreed. Now you can see is nothing but L1 only. Distance is also L1. Follow this? Why? Because there is no change in direction of motion. Any doubt is that till here? Hello?
Yes, sir, no doubt.
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
So for any instant before particle does end, there is no change in direction of motion. So here he is saying 2 seconds now. Understood that?
Yes, sir.
Clearance.
Excuse me, sir. This is the distance traveled in 2 seconds, but we have to find distance traveled in second.
He is asking what distance turn second now.
Yes, sir.
Magnitude of displacement, I don't know. Hello?
Sir.
U plus A into N minus half, no? U is how much? 5. How much it comes to see? Any doubt is that till here?
No doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, it's 2 meters.
What is?
Is it 2 meters, sir?
2 meters. 2 only, no?
Yes, sir.
Not visible.
Now visible. My network problem.
Shall I turn the page?
1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
You can proceed, sir.
See here, there is a turning point here. Whereas this is the acceleration. So velocity becomes 0, again it turns. Okay. What is asking distance traveled in third second now?
Third second. Yes, sir.
So that means here we have to find from, we cannot use directly the formula because that is
From 2 to
applicable.
2.5, then 2.5 to 3.
We cannot be. Understood this? Clear? So now we have to take is the distance traveled in third seconds now.
Yes, sir. 1 meter.
Understood this? You're getting 1 meter, huh?
Yes, sir.
See how you will get this? Let us see. Display distance from 2 to 2.5 now. How you will get this? We can use. Hello?
Yes, sir. We should find way at 2 seconds.
Yes, sir.
UT you will use v square minus u square equals 2as, no? 0 square minus, what is the initial velocity of the particle when given? 5. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
2 into minus 2 into plus S1. I'll call it as S1. So what is S1? 25 by 4. Do you agree with this? That is 6.25 meters. Agreed? Understood, isn't it? Now this distance traveled in 2 seconds you can find. So that is nothing but ut plus half a t square. U is how much? 5. 2 seconds plus half minus 2
Minus.
this is 6. Therefore, from these two, you can conclude that how much it will be? 0.25 meters. Do you agree till here?
5, sir. 7, 5.
0.75 you are getting, sir.
7, 5 minutes.
How?
Sir, 6.25 minutes.
This is 6 only, no?
Yes, sir.
How
Maybe I
much
did.
will get? Correct, no?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Then we can find now the distance traveled from say this is t equals to 3 seconds, for example. Okay, we can use s is equal to ut plus half at square. I'll use that as s3. It is starting from rest here, no? It travels for, we need half a second on, acceleration is positive, no? So it comes to how much? 1 by 4. Understood this? By followed or not? Any doubt here?
Yes.
So what is the distance to travel in third second is asking.
0.5 meters.
How much it comes to?
0.5 meters.
0.5 meters you'll get.
So if you find the velocity at 2 seconds and then put in the formula ut plus half it square, we can do like that, sir.
You can do. What is it?
But I'm
You
getting
get
different answer by that method, sir.
No. Velocity at 2 seconds you'll find. Till where you will find?
Oh, no, I will find velocity at 2 seconds. Then I will find distance between 2 to 2.5 seconds, sir. Initial velocity will be velocity at 2 seconds now. In that case,
Yes.
I'm getting 1 meter by that method, sir.
What is the velocity you got? You take an acceleration negative.
Yes, sir. I took negative velocity. I got 1.
You get V as 1 only, no?
Yes, sir. 1.
So S is equal to 1 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus half into 1 by 2. You're getting same thing, 1 by 4 only, no? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 you will get.
Yes, sir. Got, sir.
Calculation error.
Yes, sir. Calculation error, sir.
Any doubt is there till here?
No, sir. Clear, sir.
So what is the distance traveled in third second? Is how much? 2.5 for 0.5 plus
0.25.
so 0.25 plus 0.25. That comes to 0.5 meters. Is it clear now? Remember, when they're asking you to find the distance, displacement means you not check all this. Distance only headache will come. Because S is equal to ut plus half h square, this equation gives you displacement, not distance. So if they ask distance, find out if the particle is changing direction or not during the interval where he has asked. If it doesn't change any direction, directly you can use S is equal to ut plus half h here, you can find. If there is change in direction, then you have to consider the intervals. Before change in direction, after changing direction, add them. Understood this? Hello?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Can you turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you completed, please inform. Completed?
I am not understanding the last step, sir. Distance traveled from 2.5 to 3 seconds. Why are you taking 6.25 minus 6, sir?
Because see, from here to here, you got this distance. You got S1 as from 0 to 2.5. Okay. And what is S2 man? Up to 2 seconds. This is S2. Then 2 to 2.5, how you will get this? Okay. And this is S3. This is S3. Understood it?
Understood, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall you turn the page?
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
The children, now slowly 31 has come. Please don't be absent. You are risking your life. Like you are embarrassing Corona, you are embarrassing a very bad career by bunking classes. Please ensure your attendance and complete the assignment. One guarantee is be regular to the classes, complete the assignments in time, write the exams. Automatically you'll get it. This is a proven result, not that something extraordinary things we need to do. Because our strength itself, MS, they take very few people. Total your class strength, maybe I think L40 means around 40 members maximum. In that many children take very easily studies. Other institutions means they have lakhs. Chaitanya has a strength of 2.5 lakh children. Narayana 2 point. They concentrate only on first section, they leave others. And we go very slowly till the students understand. There is no other college which goes like this, like our tuition central, Even when college reopens also, we go very slowly till the student understands. If the student is absent, we can't do anything. No? Doctor can give treatment if patient is available. Patient is not there, what doctor can do?
Then, sir.
Finished?
Done.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Done, sir.
Producing a constant retardation. Anybody need any classes for vector? Anybody have missed this?
Yeah, revision, sir. Just a revision. A brief
Pardon?
explanation. We
Pardon?
need just a revision, sir. A brief explanation about the chapter 17.
Okay. This Sunday I will take this.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
This week, not Sunday, before Sunday I'll do. Whatever you need, you just ask, learn, get a seat, man. So that the people who are struggling to uplift the community will be satisfied, no? That is the greatest achievement. You're serving your community means you're serving mankind. So, sir, we need this, we need that. Utilize that, study, get a seat, try to help other people. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Read that. Any doubt is there in that writing? Driver of a train A moving with uniform speed of 144 km per hour. kmph means kilometer per hour. Sights another train B 1 kilometer ahead of him. Train B is moving with a uniform speed of 108 km per hour. Driver of train A immediately applies brakes, producing a constant retardation, and just manages to avoid a collision. What is the retardation of the train A? For how long this retardation is produced? See here, you know how to convert kmph now?
Yes, sir.
See, kilometer, 1 kilometer by hour. Per hour means that only, no?
Into 5
This
by
is
18.
Yes, sir.
1000 meters by hour means
60 into
60
60.
minutes into 60
1600
seconds. This
into
will be
600
coming to 5 by 18 meter per second. Okay. So after conversion, now convert that. How much it comes to? Check up. Hmm.
40 per second.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Till here any doubt is there? Now let us come back to the
No, sir.
numerical. This is train A. This is moving with constant velocity, no? I think.
Yes, sir. Both moving.
No, one is it tries to apply brakes, no? Whereas this is he is producing a retardation in this train. Okay. Now what is the distance between them?
1 kilometer.
1 kilometer.
1000 meters.
What are they? Now here, let us first when there will not be any collision,
Sir.
see, if VA right? We will do one thing. Let us find after time t. Okay, we'll calculate this. we are having velocity of A. We agree with this? VB is also UB plus ABT. That is 30. Do you agree with this till here? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now, after time t, what is the distance traveled by A? Ut half AT square. I'm using this. U is how much? 40 plus half. How much you are getting? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Till here, any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
Any doubt is there till here?
Yes.
No, sir.
Turn the page.
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir. Only.
Sir, 1 minute.
Done, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Okay, sir. You can proceed, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
One second, man. I'll just on the inverter.
Sayyid Rahman.
Right. See. Hello?
Sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
See, suppose these two objects are there, they are moving at the same speed. For example, is it called collision?
No.
No, sir.
So here A and B are touching. There is no collision. Like you just touch the cheek of another fellow, no problem. You slap it, he'll get irritated or not?
Yes, sir.
This is something like 6 meters per second. Here, understood this? That means if you say that understood this.
Yes.
So now
Yes, sir.
Accelerate.
From 144 it should become 108.
And one more thing is, suppose the situation, initially this is the situation. This is A, what is the velocity man? 40, yeah? He gave some velocity.
Yes, sir. 40.
40. There is a retardation. This is going with how much? 30.
30.
30 meter per second.
This is A, this is B. Now the distance between them is 1000 meters. Okay, let this travel to some distance. This be traveling with, this also travels some distance, for example. Okay, now in this situation, exactly at this, see this is the train B, train A. Both have same velocities. This is VA, this is VB. This is at T equals to T. Will there be any collision?
No, sir. No.
Follow this or not? Any doubt is there?
Yes, sir.
So this is the distance traveled by A, this is traveled by B. So first thing is, after time T, velocity should be same for no collision. And what is the other condition? This is distance traveled, SCA minus SB should be equal to how much? 1000 meters. Do you agree? Any doubt is that till here?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
So we found VA, VB now. 40 minus 80 is equal to 30. Okay. The other one is S is equal to UT. Already found now here. So from this you will get T. 10 by A now. SA is UT. Is equal to how much, man? 1000. is equal to how much? Any doubt is that till here? Voice? Now find out A. Any doubt is there in this?
Yes, sir. Clear. Sir, minus 9 by 25.
What is that?
No, sir, no, sir. 1 minute.
Minus 7 by 20.
A is 0.04.
Hmm.
Sir,
0.05 he gave.
sir
0.04,
1 by 20.
sir. 1 by 20, 1 by 20, sir.
0.05 that is.
0.05.
Yes, 0.05. 1 by 20.
So you will get T here, no? Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Finish this?
Sir, I heard out. Sir,
Ask man.
I'm not understanding how are you taking that SA minus SB is equal to 1000 meters, sir?
If you look at this diagram, you will get, no? This is SA, this is SB. What is the difference between them? This is a T equals to 0.
Yes, sir, okay, sir, got it, got it.
After T seconds, train A reaches here. After T seconds, train B will be here. Okay?
Done, sir.
Understood this completely? Understood how to analyze a question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You may get irritated, but IITs doesn't need you people. You need IIT, no? So they'll ask any question. Clear?
Sir, please show the previous page. Yes, sir. Clear.
Previous one now. This one.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
See, this is some height H, some tower or something.
Sir, can you show the previous page for a second, sir? I just didn't see the last line.
Okay.
Okay, sir, got it. Thank you, sir.
See, suppose from this tower, we are throwing a particle with speed u. Okay, it goes up and again returns back. Now, same tower, in the second case, what we are doing is we are throwing this with u. With what speed will it reach down? Understood this? Which is greater, V1 or V2? Any answer?
V2.
See. Any answer?
V2, sir.
See. You take, suppose positive in both cases. We'll use V square minus U square. So this is finally V1 square. Do you agree with this? Minus unknown quantity, no? Okay, anyhow, you want to give this also. Minus G is downward. Displacement is also downward. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, here, do you agree? Hello?
So minus 2GH will come, no, sir.
Wait a minute. Correct or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir. Correct, correct, correct.
Upward is positive. Remember, this is displacement. This equation, what you are using is displacement. Understood this?
Sir.
Can you turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Those people are absent earlier from this moment. Pray God that you will not be absent for one day also. Because it's a headache, man. See how many concepts we are learning. Now you don't know, everything will be easy life. Later you'll suffer unnecessarily. Can you turn this?
1 minute. Sir, in the second one, it will be 0, no?
Which one?
Sir, in V2,
Ah,
the
ah.
initial velocity is 0, no?
Why? It is thrown with you, no?
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
We are not dropping, we are throwing. In the diagram it is given, no?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
No, the same thing. We are hanging a tower like this. At t equals to 0, we are throwing this particle up with initial speed u. The particle goes up like this. It's here at t equals to t. This is at t equals to 0. So this is the height of the tower. Suppose we have to find the height of the tower. Okay. Say here, understood this? U is tensor. He'll ask you to find the height of the tower. Without knowing vectors, what you used to do, remember that? You used to take like this. From here to here, H1 you used to take. Remember, during schooling, you have done all this. See H1, this is velocity is 0, no? So you used to use, remember this or not?
Yes,
V
sir.
square minus U square 2 into, okay, minus G, remember this, into H1. H1 is how much? U square by 2G. U is 10 square by 20. So that comes to how much? 5.
Right.
Again, from here to here you should travel. Second part, what is to do? No? H1 plus H2. Okay? Because H is equal to, rest is equal to UT plus, it falls like this now. Agreed? This is H now. Half AT square. Oh, again, you have to use to find time, no? So this is A, the way you used to do in school, I'm saying. This is journey from A to B, you will consider. From A to B, you have V is equal to U plus AT, 0 initially, 10 minus G into T1. So T1 is 1 second. Therefore, what is the time from BC? Time for BC will be how much? Total time is 5 minus 1. How much it comes to? 4 seconds. Remember?
Yes, sir.
So what you used to do is B to C used to do H1 plus H is equal to, there is plus half into G value used to take 4 square. This is H1, you got 5 plus H is equal to half into 10 into 16. This is 80. Agreed? So what is H you got? 75 meters. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
This is one method. When you don't know vectors, if you know vectors in one stroke, no need to analyze like this. Just to use this, delta y equals uyt plus half ay take square. Upward, if I take positive, this is minus h. Okay, this is u is how much? 10. The time is 5. Half minus g into, what is that? 5 square.
5 square.
So you will get minus h equals 50 minus 5 into 25. How much it comes to? Minus 75 is minus h. What is h?
75.
70. Which is easier? This is easier or not?
Yes, sir.
In school, you learned without vectors. That is the reason why you used to analyze like this. So mostly we use vector method only. I just gave a comparison between both methods. This is always easier, vector method. Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Be regular, do the workman, cooperate. Nice life, you don't get spoiled unnecessarily. Chemistry means some theory you'll mug up or something you'll do. Maths, some formula you'll mug up. This is what is this? With those three relations, four relations, you have to do all infinite problems. V is equal to u plus 80, S is equal to u2 plus half 80 square. Distance till nth second. 3-4 relations are there. The infinite problems you have to do. And thinking will be different for each problem. I'm just picking up the problems which will help you to do the assignments. In assignment, you will see more number of questions. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Completed, sir.
Done, sir.
Let's move to next problem.
Sir,
Even if
visible.
you not visible.
Visible, sir.
Visible, sir, visible.
Even if you spend millions of money, you won't get a seat of IIT. No? So please 2 years, not even 2 years, 1.5 years, that's all. Okay. Hello?
Yes, sir.
See here also, this is one ball. First ball is dropped at t equals to 0. See, it travels here. So here this is sometime. So this is y1. I'm taking this. Okay. Therefore, you have y1 and taking downward as positive. My wish I can take anywhere. There is no rule that we should do. Okay. What is asking? Stone is dropped, no? Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the second stone is dropped.
What,
Okay.
sir?
This is y2. Second particle should also be here on, no?
Yes, sir.
Agreed. So the second particle how much? Why? Because agreed or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is it? You have y2 equals
Sir, UT, sir. It is thrown, he said.
okay. Follow or not?
Phone.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Equate these two.
Sorry, sir.
Sir, you are muted.
ऐसा बोल रहे कि पूरा समझ में आ गया था.
You are muted, sir.
If you simplify this, you will get this. You know how to find T, no? Algebra, you know, no? School algebra.
Yes, sir.
So note down this. You can simplify slowly. Leave some space. Understood the method now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Return the page.
Yes,
1
sir.
minute, sir. 1 minute, 1 minute.
1 minute, sir.
Completed.
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
See. The balloon starts rising upward. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
See, a balloon starts rising upward. Okay, with what velocity? Okay, acceleration. The velocity is zero. It starts with acceleration. Okay, t equals to 0. It goes on rising. It says after t naught seconds, the balloon is here. Okay, now a particle is dropped. Now you can see that, suppose the velocity is v here. What is the velocity of the particle here when it is dropped?
V.
Right. Any detached body will have the same thing now. Now suppose this is h. He is asking determine the value of t. For the particle dropped. If we take upward as positive, you have minus h is upward half minus gt square. Do you agree with this? Followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For balloon, you have upward as positive, no? So what do you have to take? First we should take v is equal to u plus a t naught. So v you got, and h is equal to ut plus half minus a upward positive, no, sorry, plus a t naught square. Substitute here. Therefore you have minus h equals v into t plus half minus gt square. H is how much? Half a t naught square. V is how much? A t naught into t minus half gt square. Do you agree with this? Now, if you
Yes, sir.
multiply by t, you are getting this 2a t naught into t minus gt square. So this gives you what? Gt square minus 2a t naught into t, okay, plus a t naught square. This is a quadratic, no? You can find t equals minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac. What is c? By
Sir,
2g.
minus h means minus 80 naught square, no?
Where, which one?
Sir, in the bottom corner, minus h is equal to vt. Minus h means in the down you did not take negative sign.
Then you'll get here gt square. If you go like this is negative, this is also negative. So minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, you know quadratic equation in school or not? You will get this if you do carefully. Understood this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You know quadratic equation, na? Minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4a is that one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts are there in today's class? Is it clear? Right. Please cooperate and don't be absent. Be working your assignment. You have that AS assignment is there now. You start with that. Many problems will be there in that. After that, you can do AV, AG, whatever it is. Right then. Okay, study well. Don't be lazy. Another 1.5 years, you will become an IITian. Right, we'll meet tomorrow then. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, don't
Thank you,
close the
sir.
meeting,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye bye. Pardon?
Sir, don't close the meeting, sir. I'll just copy.
Okay, copy.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Right,
sir.
right.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye bye.